Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how you can get a contact phone number of Alipay customer service. Some of the time we may have issue with Alipay, and one of the best way to reach them is to communicate them with phone number, direct hotline, so you get a very quick response to them. So if you are the type that find it difficult to get their real phone number, so this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can actually get Alipay customer service phone number. So before we get today practical started, guys, if you are very new to my channel, please remember to click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell icon, so whenever I upload content about Alipay related issue, China importation, and some other country importation, you'll be able to watch the video and learn some stuff. So, and also guys, I'm still if you still have interest to join my premium class on importation from China and importation from US and some other country, that is an importation you will do without involvement of any agent, I'm going to put through every step by step you need to take to import successfully without using any agent. So if you have interest for that, you can reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk about my premium class. Okay, so now in today's video, like I said earlier, I'm going to teach you guys how you can get Alipay customer service phone number so you reach them fast for a quick response. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here is my Alipay. I'm going to click on it right away. Now you click on your Alipay, this is how it's going to open up. Okay, so you need to click on this icon here. Have a click on me icon. So let me make another screenshot. So you need to click on customer center. As you can scroll down, then you can sweep to this side. Then you have to click on issues. You have to click on here. Okay. Then have a click on issues. You can see contact phone number, contact us telephone. Then select this. So here we go. This is the contact phone number of Alipay customer service. So if you are not in China, so let me make a screenshot. So if you are not in China, I say you are overseas users, you have to contact them with this phone number. Okay? But if you are in China, you have to contact them with this number. So this is how you get the contact direct phone number of Alipay, and I hope you guys learn one or two things in this step-by-step video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also if you have any question for me as far as Alipay is concerned, you can as well put your question in the comment section down below. And also, if you would like to join my premium class on importation, feel free to contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video. So let us chat and see how the premium class about importation goes. So thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.